Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I just got done sharing my heart for a third time now, 3 years in a row, getting to come back to my old stomping grounds, Summer Kids Club here in South Lyon, Michigan at the Early Childhood Center. And it's located right next to Bartlett Elementary. But the kids, that I've gotten to build a relationship now over the past couple of years, it's been a real honor just getting to see them again and watch them grow and just kind of hear their stories and how they're choosing kindness, how they're choosing love, how they're accepting other people around them and really being those role models that this world needs, even at a young age. And so it was just a beautiful time. I got to speak to the pre-K all the way through fifth grade and share with them about positive life choices. So today's topic being all about being the best version of ourselves, right? And being our best selves. And that starts with not only loving others and encouraging others, but also really believing in our own worth and loving ourselves, right? That so many times, whatever we tell our mind or heart, it's going to believe whatever we tell it. So we need to replace any of the negative beliefs about who we are with positive ones. And that might be whether we feel that we are truly smart enough, or that we are enough, or that we are beautiful, that we can do anything, and we start to believe that. We also tied that back into the miracle concept, as always, the M etched with the lines of our hands on all of our palms. We have the letter M, upside down, W for worthy, M for miracle. But the whole idea is that we really truly believe that and see that in ourselves, and then we go and help other people see that as well. Be the mirror to their heart and the light to their heart. Like the shirt says here, keep your head up, upside down on purpose. It's a constant reminder that we always think positive no matter what as well, that we really understand that whatever we put our mind to, we can accomplish, and that the opposite of success is not failure or giving up, but it's quitting. And as long as we try, as long as we do our best, that's all that anybody asks of us, right? That, doing our best, it's not always being the best. And it's more about just as long as we can look ourselves in the face and say, hey, I did give it my all, and that's really all that matters, then that's how this world becomes a brighter place, because we're not always playing the comparison game and worrying about what he did or what she said or what they did. It's all about our own effort, which we are in control of, and we can always really try to get past any hurdle in our life, any struggle, and know that, yes, some things may come easier to certain people, but as long as we stick with it, we can be on the right side of it at the end and make sure that we do accomplish what we set out to do. So again, thanks for touching my heart. It's always an honor to be back here where I grew up and where I played on the playground, and I got to have some great pizza with them today too. My first Capri Sun in a while as well. But as always, make sure you hit the subscribe link to follow and hit the bell for notifications of upcoming videos, as well as checking out the playlist above for some other videos just like this one. And don't forget to check out the website via the Mr. Peace link here to learn more about my journey and where I'm heading next, and the love that we're trying to spread across this nation. Peace.